Did you know that it's possible to support your teeth naturally? In this video, we'll explore how to reverse tooth decay naturally, heal tooth enamel, and use powerful herbs for tooth repair. Plus, we'll share a simple herbal toothpaste recipe for stronger, healthier teeth. Understanding tooth decay and enamel repair. Tooth decay occurs when acids erode the enamel, leading to cavities and sensitivity. While conventional medicine dictates that enamel cannot regenerate, many herbalists have different opinions. At the very least, it can be strengthened and remineralized using natural remedies. The key is providing your teeth with essential minerals, reducing harmful bacteria, and nourishing your enamel with herbal solutions. Here are some of the best herbs for tooth repair and enamel protection. Clove, a natural antibacterial that relieves pain and fights bacteria. Neem, known for its powerful antimicrobial properties, neem helps prevent cavities and gum disease. Licorice root, contains compounds that reduce plaque and protect enamel. Horsetail, rich in silica, which helps strengthen teeth and promote remineralization. Here's a simple and effective herbal toothpaste you can make at home to support tooth enamel repair. Use 2 tablespoons bentonite clay that helps detoxify and remineralize teeth, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, a natural antibacterial, 1 teaspoon baking soda to balance pH, half a teaspoon ground clove for its pain relief and antibacterial qualities, half a teaspoon neem powder to prevent cavities, 5 drops of peppermint essential oil to freshen breath, and filtered water is needed. In a small bowl, mix the bentonite clay and baking soda. Add coconut oil and stir until it forms a paste. Mix in clove powder, neem powder, and peppermint oil. Add a few drops of water until you reach the desired consistency. Store in a small jar and use daily as a natural alternative to commercial toothpaste. Now for some final tips for healthy teeth. For the best results, pair this herbal toothpaste with a diet rich in calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D. Avoid sugary and acidic foods, and practice good oral hygiene daily. Now you know how to reverse tooth decay naturally, and strengthen your enamel with herbs. Like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your dental care routine. Visit us at www.naturefirstremedies.com.